What's going on, guys? This is Matt Chinella here with Matt Conklin, Welding Applications Engineer for ABB Robotics, and Scott Huber, Key Accounts Manager for Sensors and Robotics at ABB and Abicor Binzel, respectively. We're here at ABB Robotics in Auburn Hills, Michigan, talking seam tracking for arc welding applications. Is there, for different optical seam tracking solutions, are there ones that are faster than others, maybe because they do real-time joint scanning compared to pre-scanning or anything of that nature?
Yep, so there's other optical solutions on the market. One thing that separates DH6D is 3 lines. So we got 3 lines of separate data coming back. We're averaging those together, giving us a more reliable path. The information is 3 times better than the other solutions out there. So with that processing coming in, we're able to make sure that the data the robot's receiving is correct data for one. And we're not what we call it squirrel, chasing things that aren't there. And the paths are a lot cleaner, reliability's there. You're not relying on mill scale or the cleanliness of a joint. As long as the weld joint's visible in field of view, we're able to track it and decrease those cycle times, and in a lot of cases get better products.